The LogTag TRIL and SRIL-16U are LogTag's latest, ultra-low temperature recorders that reliably and accurately monitor and store temperature data at ultra-low temperatures. Designed and engineered for challenging environments, these loggers are the perfect solution for professionals who need to accurately and reliably monitor medical and pharmaceutical freezers and shipments utilizing dry ice. In this tutorial video, we will cover how to configure, record, and retrieve the data from your TRIL or SRIL-16U. To configure the TRIL or SRIL-16U, you will need a Windows PC running the latest version of LogTag Analyzer, which is available for free download at logtag.com. To configure your logger, open LogTag Analyzer, then insert the TRIL or SRIL-16U into a USB port. The green LED will blink every second, indicating the device is ready for configuration. Next, navigate to the wizard button in the top left of LogTag Analyzer. LogTag Analyzer will read your computer and prompt you with the following screen. Simply click Configure to proceed with the setup. This will land you on the configuration pane. The configuration pane allows you to set a user ID, password settings, start method, logging interval, and start delay. Next is the Alarm Settings tab. Under the Alarm Settings tab, you can configure up to 6 alarm conditions, including an upper alarm, lower alarm, and a cumulative or consecutive alarm settings. For this example, an accumulative alarm triggers if the temperature exceeds the set limits, a total of 2 times or more during the trip. A consecutive alarm, on the other hand, will only trigger if the temperature exceeds the limits consecutively, as shown in this example, twice in a row. If both settings are turned off, the alarm will activate instantly as soon as the temperature goes outside the set range. Next, navigate to the File Settings tab. The File Settings tab lets you customize scaling, grid display, temperature units, and time settings. You can also choose which files the logger generates, including PDF, LogTag Analyzer file, and CSV. Next, navigate to the Advanced Settings tab. The Advanced Settings tab allows customization of stop permissions, alarm clearing, and other functions. To finalize the configuration, click Configure to apply the settings. Once complete, you will see the configuration status of your logger. If it states configured, unplug the logger and place the protective cap back on before logging commences. The logger can start in several ways. Firstly, push button start. This begins recording when the start button is pressed. To start the logger via this method, press and hold the start button until the red and green LEDs start flashing. Release when the LED sequence ends. If you configured your logger with a start delay, your logger will begin logging after the configured period. If you configured your logger to start at a specific date and time, your logger will be scheduled to start logging at that specific time. A single green LED flash every 4 seconds indicates logging with no alerts. A single red LED flash every 4 seconds means an alert condition has been triggered. Pressing the start button while logging adds an inspection mark, confirmed by a sequence of 5 simultaneous green and red flashes. Press the stop button to begin the stop sequence. The LEDs will flash green and red together for 4 seconds. Release the button to finalize the stop. Once stopped, plug the logger into your computer. The folder will contain both a PDF report of your recording and a LogTag Analyzer file, which can be opened in LogTag Analyzer for more detailed analysis. For more information, please visit the LogTag website at logtag.com, where you can find resources on setting up and recording with your logger and using LogTag Analyzer for analysis.